Mud Fama Lama, first man product. How you mean, star? What's good? Check it, blood. Now if I've got something on my mind, I've got to be the first to get it off. First I'm gonna need a fat beat to help me set it off. First man prepared to launch, ready to let it off. Blowing up all over these airwaves like a Molotov. First rhythm that I chose for my first debut has left you now with a first for what they do. True, they're not about egos, names or faces, and we're working for the love and it's not for the papers. From now I've got all kinds of people on my cases, and my life has turned crazy since day-to-day basis. I couldn't take the way they tried to mold and shape us, hold and make us turn to haters, when we know in our heart there's a love that seems so much greater, higher than any council block skyscraper, and it's worth more than gold or paper. You can't take it with you when you meet your maker, the creator, the first man.
I don't wanna brag, I got a feeling that you will live it, just go with it. Take your time and see, let yourself believe. Go with it, just go with it. Don't try to find out sound. Go with it, just go with it. This is the first man joining, we about to set it up right now. Yeah.
That's why I'm breaking it down over these melodies, cause it's too deep. Create the first man, let the heart create the first man's beat. As time evolves, man will surely then desire to speak through the sounds of a drum.